Morning. It is Saturday. It is about, what's the time? 11:15 on Saturday. I've just driven up to Hard Knock Speed Shop and dropped some bits off to my Fiesta. I'm not going to reveal any pictures or any videos of the Fiesta yet. You'll have to wait and see till it's done. I'm literally just grabbing a bite to eat because I'm absolutely starving, and I'm popping down the farm because we're going to have a little bit of a shift around, see if I can get the dyno underneath the little mezzanine bit we built. So yeah, not much exciting to do, but let's crack on. As soon as the camera rolls, he looks busy. Look, he's sat down for half hour. Yeah, so we're moving the dyno over. As you can see, we've got the most sophisticated tool, under a 15 grand dyno. Ollie on a jack. What are you doing? You're going to bend the chassis. I've got to unplug it first.
I'm waiting for you to get the fork.
Right, I'll go get the fork.
You're too busy with the camera.
I'll bring the fork over, and then we've unbolted the ramp. The ramp's set up on steel tubes and bits of wood. Let's shift over there. No, over there. Yeah. Right, I'll go get the fork. Oh, it's pissing down as well. At least the GoPro Hero 8's are waterproof, eh? Oh, another jack. Oh. All right, Dave. Look at the mess in here. Do what? Ramp's over. Whee! It's on scaffolding tube, so it's all wobbly. Oh, you swept up? Who? Ollie? He does loads. Ginge, you don't look dressed to be helping.
I'm not getting these good.
Why? No, just in case your mum gets the hump at you. Ruin her best shoes.
Oh my god! There they are!
Right, that over here. And then that over here. What are you eating? What are you eating?
When that's done, the Subaru goes to there.
Burger.
Oh. No, I can't have Subarus in here, mate.
Full. I was going to say full only, but it's a Renault 5 in the mic.
Yeah, Nissan Micra Renault 5, yeah, full only, mate. Right, let's drag that thing over. Yeah. Alright. Go on. No.
Where's the flowers? Oh.
Just go slowly.
This is about as slow as you can go.
Wait. Do we need another flower yet? There.
How do we get the flower around this?
Ah?
Fuck it, just push it.
Slowly. Stop. It's touching. Oh, fuck. Don't get it.
Right, leave off the top, leave off the wall.
What's that wall?
I said, yeah, sure. You go. Now what?
Push it towards right.
And the wall comes down.
There you go.
Oh, we're down to, so we'll do it.
And now a word from our sponsor.
Hey, where's the other bar? Oh, oh, the mess.
To me, to you.
Pivot. It's about spot on, mate.
You've got to come forward this back bit here.
Are we leaving that just off the wall?
Measure it really.
You know what you're gonna do? Just let that down, put a ramp on, see if it.
Yeah.
It's not a bad call.
That's gonna be the easiest way. Pull it up to a ramp. Where you going?
Ball forward.
Inside,
Got the bags to shut up. You better just put the
Lift it
dyno
up.
down.
Yeah, lift it up. Lift it up.
Just put the dyno down and we'll
Yeah.
Hmm.
put the ramps on and skid it and ramp pin into that wood. Not really easy. Got to try and get it off the clay ramps.
I need to jack one in.
She's off.
I went for back. Let's go under there and shut in. You going to the wall?
Alright, she's got to come. Just trying to square it up a bit.
I'll square it with the wall. Should we hook a ramp on and see how it lines up in there?
That's what I was doing.
It's over. It's right, isn't it?
Made in China, that's made by the billion.
Down now.
Same quality.
And
It's raining. Ollie wired up my spotlight for me. Look at that. Straight onto the dyno now. Gonna maybe put the ramp at an angle. Need to build a stud wall like here. And then maybe like a swinging wall door like here. So I can move that ramp. And then I can like swing that over there, get on the ramp because I won't use the ramp that much. Swing it back and then maybe like a roller shutter or maybe a sliding door off the steel to pin this side. Or even hinge off this steel with a big sliding door and take this concrete pad out. So I can open that, put a car in, slide the wall, shut the door, bang. Put some extraction in, get the cooling fan in. Jobbed. Looks alright, I've still got loads of crap considering I've moved so much upstairs as well. Put the dyno cabinet back here for now. I need to mount like a TV up there, I think. So when I'm sitting about, I don't know, here in the car, maybe put the TV up here or even on the wall. I want to put a door, so when the wall's here, I want to put a door there so that if I'm mapping and the car explodes and catches fire, not that I plan on it doing that, I can open the door, get out, run down here, crash into this cabinet and then open this door, come flying out in a flaming panic while he sits there just laughing because I'm going to have windows here. Yeah, it's alright, wasn't it?
He said, I'm going to go
Cool.
and see what it's like.
Huh?
Fuck off, just as good.
Yeah, eventually. Nice. Nice. Don't come out.
It does, it's on.
No, don't come out.
I've got some DR. Oh.
You have to smash it. Easy.
Don't smash it, it's dead.
Can't see.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's not fine because it's not in, is it? It needs to come down. It's not in. Pins are hanging out, you pleb.
There's no line here, you can't see. Yeah.
Push. Come on, Ollie.
That's it. Now go up more.
Now,
That's it.
Yeah.
Now you're in.
now turn.
Oh, that was anticlimactic.
It's much better when the lights come on.
Yeah, normally, isn't it?
Just like being up. Look, after all that, lot, it's like, no, not going to work.
Come on, kick that.
Ah!
Did you get your orange trainers oily?
Did that come off? Never.
Have you noticed all the boots that everyone here is wearing?
The colour of them.
Yeah. Steel toe cap boots, mate. Surely.
Oh my god, I forgot I had these!
Yeah?
Now look 'em.
You do know that these are trainers. This is what happens in a workshop after a month.
Okay, now!
So it had enough room.
Yes.
What do we reckon? So,
I do like.
old Johnny 5 on the walk. Old, what's the Nissan's name? Naughtiness?
Shit.
Piece of shit.
POS.
POS. Old POS is bumper to bumper with Johnny. Ooh, that shutter just sits on the edge of that concrete.
Pretty cool car.
Say again?
We all own pretty cool cars.
Yeah.
And these are the two that are in the use.
Yeah, I know, the two that get stored in the dry. I've got the logbook through for this now, so I could sell it. Yeah, if anyone wants a Nissan Micra, email me.
After you just put up a video of it.
Yeah, just crashed it, but you know what I mean.
It's a bump, it's this job.
Mate, this is a 30,000 mile car with MOT, was garaged all its life, one careful owner before me. I got the logbook. Look, genuine Nissan alloy wheels. Needs a carb cleaning out because it cuts out when it gets hot. It's not actually too bad. Oh, stupid guttering. First person to give me £600 can have it. Gotta collect it. Cash on collection. Or bank transfer. Man, it looks alright. It's all in. Run into a little problem though. This isn't as long as I remembered. Doesn't quite reach the plug, does it? I'm the flat, I'll see if it goes.
Throw it.
Oh, no, it don't. Also, I broke my ramp. We lifted this up with the engine hoist. Now the arm's pinged. It's locked there. No. All I have to do is wire it up, take the ramp up, and then just strip the mechanism down in there. And then it should unlock. Yeah. It's alright. I can get more sheds in here now. I can put one on the ramp, take it up, two under here. Job's done. Yeah, space for 5 cars. Yeah. Put one on the ramp, one underneath till it hits the back wall once I move some of this.
You're not going to get one in front of it.
What?
Because there's a few stills and that in the way.
Ah, be alright. Easy. Just ram into it like that. They have to be small.
Smart cars.
Smart cars, yeah, there you go.
Get a smart car there, mate.
Yeah, you could do actually. Looks all airy and roomy in here weirdly. You not noticed? It just seems to look like...
the crap's upstairs.
Yeah, I know, there's a lot of stuff up there.
It's not downstairs anymore.
We've got the compressor up there. God, I should have filmed that. That was a stupid move.
How did you get that up?
How did we get it up?
Don't ask.
Ollie goes, put a ratchet strap round the handle. So I was like, alright, put a ratchet strap round the handle. We went up there, threw the strap up to him, pulled it up and the handle come off the compressor. Brad was like, thank God I wasn't holding it. So then I put the strap round a bit of metal that was welded to the tank, and then we sort of pushed it up the ladder while Brad was like, while he was pulling it. And then it got to a point where Brad was halfway up the ladder, couldn't lift it. Ollie was up top, couldn't pull it. I was stuck down here because everyone was on the ladder and up there. So I run across the top of the car that I'm selling, shimmied up onto the wall, dragged myself up, and then leant over the edge and lifted it up. And I said, the next time that comes down, it's coming down like that. Ugh. So yeah. Or a forklift, yeah. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, or a telehandler. Oh, Ollie, when you're building me a stub wall, when you boxing my dyno in?
Next year.
Next year? No.
Yeah.
We're only in, what are we in now? November?
So
What are you doing up between Christmas and New Year?
Working.
Nah, you can't be.
I am.
Why?
We've got a lot of work on.
Oh, you can't work down here. Do you need labourer? I'll do some work, I don't care. I'll come labour. I'll do a day rate. Right, that'll do for this video. What?
£30 a day.
That'll do for this video. I'm going home. Bye.